FOREX Trade the News. What are the odds? Here's one of the videos used in the Forex ebook series, FOREX Trade the News. What are the odds? Published in the Kindle Books department on Amazon. This ebook is the fourth in the series and documents 3 setups and trades conducted over the last 2 years, along with charts and links to the YouTube videos. There are 3 videos illustrating the setup, progress, and results of the monthly release of the Canadian IVEY Purchasing Managers Index month-over-month report. Today's video represents the news report released on Wednesday, September 8th, 2010 at 10 a.m. Eastern Time US. This video is a presentation by the blog, fundamentalforexblogging.com. The Fundamental Forex blog presents the Canadian IVEY Purchasing Managers Index month-over-month report, released monthly by the Richard Ivey School of Business. This report was released on Wednesday, September 8th, 2010 at 10 a.m. Eastern Time US. A preview was posted on Tuesday, the 7th of September, 2010, and a follow-up posted on Thursday, the 16th of September 2010. All were posted on the blog, www.fundamentalforexblogging.com. Here's my prelim setup for a trade, starting with my market orders, a sell order, and behind it a buy order. Here are the units I am trading. Here is my stop loss. The stop loss is important in cases of a spike reversal. Early on, my broker spread shown here is small, but may increase just before the news release, which will be shown later in this video. Next is my plan in case there is a surprise to the market. The plan tells me which action to take if the actual report is different from the forecast. Down here is my time. Here are my trigger points. I need to get the news report as soon as possible, so I use the Forex Factory's calendar. They have an actual pending button, which will give me the news report within a minute or two. By refreshing the calendar page, normally about 4 minutes before the report release, the green buttons will appear. With less than a minute to the news release, broker spread will increase to $1.93 from 90 cents, about 10 seconds before the news, and will decrease about 34 seconds into the news release to 91 cents. It is now time to get the news release. I use the Forex Factory calendar with the news release buttons, those green buttons in the calendar. At times it takes a few clicks of the actual report buttons to get the report. This time it took only 21 seconds and 3 clicks to get the actual report release. In this case, the actual report came out higher than the forecast by 10 and higher than the trigger point by 6. This report was good for the Canadian dollar, so I decided I will execute a buy of the Canadian dollar and sell the British pound. Broker spread is decreased. There, I have entered my first trade. And I have now entered my second trade. There are my stop loss lines. The currency pair British pound versus the Canadian dollar is not moving as I had expected, in spite of the odds being in favor of a buy of the Canadian dollar. But the market will change. The market moves up for 5 minutes before reversing down for 14 minutes toward a win. I took my profit 16 minutes into the report of about 9.6 pips. I did not exit my trades until after the end of this video. So here is a chart showing those trade exits. This is the chart for the currency pair British pound versus the Canadian dollar. My first buy trade was entered right at about 36 seconds into the news release. Then the second buy trade was entered about 59 seconds into the news release. The market did not head down in the right direction at first, but after 7 minutes and about 12 pips in the wrong direction, it started down, in the right direction. Enough over the 13 minutes for me to exit these trades for 2 wins, and a win this time of about 9.6 pips. The market continued down about an additional 16 pips in 26 seconds. The actual report was outside the economist's forecast and was good for the Canadian economy, and apparently good for my plan, which called for buying the Canadian dollar. I started posting this news release on my blog in November of 2009. This video was presented by the Fundamental Forex blog and has been presented in an ebook series titled FOREX Trade the News, What Are the Odds?, published in the Amazon Kindle store under the title Trade the Canadian IVEY Purchasing Managers Index Month-over-Month News Report. Click the link below this video to check out additional Forex ebooks I have published on Amazon. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.